Whose pen is this?
This is mine.
No, I don't think so. This might be Arif's.
Arif, I'm calling you from yesterday. But why are you not receiving my call?
Oh, bro, I was busy that time. That's why I didn't receive your call. I'm sorry for this.
Have you pray?
No, bro.
Oh, let's go to pray.
No, no, you go. I have some work.
You have some work.
Yes, I have some work.
Do you know Ramzan month is going? You should keep fast and you should pray 5 times and you should apologize from Allah. If you do it, you will get a Jannah.
I understand.
Oh, do you have cap?
I have no cab.
So it doesn't matter.
Okay, I want to go with you. Let's go.
Oh, you will go with me.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hey bro, I'm not feeling well today
Why?
because I have fasted.
Oh, you have fasted.
Yes, I'm fasting.
So don't worry. Wait only 2 hours. You can break your fast.
Thank you for saying this.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you too.
Can you join with me at the time of iftar?
Yeah, I will try to join.
Sure.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Arif, will you go to college tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to college tomorrow.
See you next time.
Okay. Hey bro, can you give me a pen?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Hey bro, I like your t-shirt. Where is it from?
It's from New Market.
Oh, great. How much is it?
It is 800 taka.
Oh, great.
Very expensive.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
very
no.
expensive. Hello, who is speaking?
I am Arif. Could I speak to Said?
Yes, you can. Wait a second. I'm transferring your call.
Thank you.
You are welcome.